When engine health matters, having a dependable oil pressure signal is essential. This VDO pressure sender is designed to deliver accurate, stable readings that drivers and technicians can rely on, whether for daily driving, restoration projects, or performance applications. Built as an electromechanical gauge sender, it is engineered to work seamlessly with compatible oil pressure gauges and provide consistent feedback you can trust. Rated for pressures up to 80 PSI, this sender uses a standard 1/8-27 NPTF thread, making it a direct fit for many engines without the need for adapters. The knurled nut connection allows for a secure electrical hookup, while the standard ground design ensures reliable signal transmission. With a wide operating voltage range of 6 to 24 volts, it is suitable for a variety of vehicles, from classic cars to modern builds and specialty applications. Compact dimensions make installation simple, even in tight engine bays. Measuring just 5.0 by 5.3 by 10.4 centimeters and weighing only 128 kilograms, it can be installed quickly using basic hand tools. Many users appreciate how straightforward the process is, often requiring only a short reach wrench to complete the job in minutes. This sender is designed to pair perfectly with OEM and aftermarket gauges, especially those from VDO, a brand known worldwide for precision instrumentation and long-term reliability. When compared against mechanical gauges, users report readings that are accurate and stable, giving confidence that engine oil pressure is being monitored correctly. Quality construction and thorough testing help ensure long service life, even under demanding conditions. Whether you are replacing a faulty sender or completing a fresh gauge installation, this unit offers a dependable solution that performs exactly as advertised. If you are looking for a pressure sender that installs easily, works flawlessly with VDO oil pressure gauges, and delivers accurate results, this 80 PSI sender is a smart choice. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and see current pricing, and subscribe to the channel to explore more trusted automotive parts and instrumentation solutions.